Want to pinpoint student strengths and areas for improvement? The Objectives Breakdown Report makes it easy. It shows pass-fail rates by objective, helping you focus on class-wide learning goals and reinforce key concepts with custom tests. Let's walk through how to generate your Objectives Breakdown Report in just a few clicks. First, log into your GMetrix admin dashboard using your credentials. Next, head over to the Reports tab, click Create, and then select Objectives Breakdown Report from the Reports list. Apply your filters, choose a date range, category, product, and test to customize the report to your needs. Click Run Report, and there you have it. Export to Excel if you'd like to analyze or share the data further. That's it. Log in and try it today. GMetrix, where managing students and content has never been easier.